Evaluate yourself with these questions. How much do you know about linear equation word problems? Question number 1. Sarah is currently 3 times as old as her brother Mike. In 5 years, she will be twice as old as him. How old is Mike now? A. 5 years. B. 10 years. C. 15 years. D. 20 years. You have 10 seconds. Answer A. Explanation. Let Mike is equals to X. Sarah is represented as 3x. Then 3x plus 5, which is equals to 2 times in the bracket x plus 5. Finally, the result is x is equals to 5. Question number 2. A school sold 180 tickets. Student tickets cost $6 and adult tickets cost $10. Total collected was $1,420. How many student tickets were sold? A. 75. B. 85. C. 95. D. 105. You have 10 seconds. Answer C. Explanation. S plus A, which is equals to 180. 6 second plus 10a, which is equals to 1420. Finally, solving gives us s is equals to 95. Question number 3. The sum of three consecutive even integers is 132. What is the smallest of these integers? A. 40. B. 42. C. 44. D. 46. You have 10 seconds. Answer B. Explanation. Let first x plus in the bracket x plus 2 plus x plus 4 in the bracket, which is equals to 132. Finally, x is equals to 42. Question number 4. Two trains leave the same station in opposite directions at 68 km per hour and 82 km per hour. How long until they are 450 km apart? A. 2.5 hours. B. 3 hours. C. 3.5 hours. D. 4 hours. You have 10 seconds. Answer B. Explanation. Relative speed, which is equals to 150 km per hour. Time is equals to 450 divided by 150. Finally, the answer is 3 hours. Question number 5. The length of a rectangle is 7 centimeter more than twice its width. Perimeter is 94 centimeter. What is the width? A. 10 centimeter. B. 14 over 3 centimeter, which is equals to approximately 13.33 centimeter. C. 15 centimeter. D. 20 centimeter. You have 10 seconds. Answer B. Explanation: width in the bracket 2 times width plus 2 width plus 7 per meter equation. Width is equals to 14 over 3 centimeter. Question number 6. 5 kilogram of $12 per kilogram coffee is mixed with X kilogram of $16 per kilogram coffee to make 12 kilogram worth. Worth is equals to $14 per kilogram. What is X? A. 5 kilogram. B. 6 kilogram. C. 6.75 kilogram. D. 7 kilogram. You have 10 seconds. Answer C. Explanation: 5 times 12 plus 16x, which is equals to 12 times 14. Finally, x is equals to 6.75 kilogram. Question number 7. An item bought for $240 is sold for 25% profit. Then the selling price is reduced by 10% during a sale. What is the final profit percentage? A. 10%. B. 12.5%. C. 15%. D. 22.5%. The answer is B. Explanation: normal SP, which is equals to $3,000. Sale, which is equals to $217, $70. Finally, profit percent, which is equals to, in the bracket, 30 over 240 times outside the bracket 100, which is equals to finally 12.5%. Question number 8. A rectangular garden has area 300 meter square and length 5 meter more than width. What is the width? A. 10 meter. B. 15 meter. C. 20 meter. D. 25 meter. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is B. Explanation: width times, in the bracket, W plus 5 which is equals to 300. Finally, width square plus 5 widths minus 300, which is equals to 0. Finally, we get W is equals to 15 meter. Question number 9. Pipe A fills a tank in 6 hours. Pipe B in 8 hours. Together, how long to fill the tank? A. 24 over 7 hours, which is approximately 3.43 hour. B. 3.5 hours. C. 7 hours. D. 14 hours. You have 10 seconds. Answer A. Explanation combined rates, which is equals to 7 over 24 tanks per hour. Finally, time is equals to 24 per 7 hours. Question number 10. A cyclist goes 15 kilometer at 10 kilometer per hour, returns at 30 kilometer per hour. What is the average speed for the round trip? A. 15 km per hour. B. 20 km per hour. C. 25 km per hour. D. 40 km per hour. You have 10 seconds. The correct answer is answer A. Explanation total distance 30 km, total time 2 hour, average 15 km per hour. Thank you for your attention.